Welcome back. Everybody is keen to know their destiny, and this is exactly what the fortune tellers take advantage of. Prudent Media brought one such fake fortune teller under the scanner at Vasco and handed him over to the Vasco police. Vasco police have arrested him.
He is Lingappa Jyotishi, but for his business purpose, he uses Hemant Jyotishi as his name.
अब हमारा बिजनेस के ऊपर चलने के हेमंत पंडित।
ऐसा दो नाम क्यों?
नहीं, हमारे बिजनेस के ऊपर हमारा जन्म नाम वो वही जात का नाम।
Have a look. He has hired a room at Vasco from last 3 months and is paying 6,000 rupees per month. He claims that he tells the future to the people and charges fee around 200 to 250 rupees per person.
भगवान क्या बोलता वो बोल सही।
भगवान के नाम पे लोगों को
नहीं वैसा कभी करने से अभी किधर में पाए ये नहीं। तुम कभी तो पूछो क्या अभी हम वैसे करे नहीं अभी करते नहीं आगे भी।
कितना लोग हैं तुम लोग इधर?
हमें वास्को में हम एक
और
अभी मड़गांव में हम एक।
कितना लोग आए अभी? दिन को कितना लोग आता है तुम्हारे पास?
एक दो तीन लोग कैसे आते सर?
कितना चार्ज करता है?
चार्ज 200 1 रुपये लेते 200 लेते 1 रुपये।
और बाद में क्या करता है?
नहीं क्या बोलते।
It's only after a reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar, informed the police, Vasco police arrested this Jyotishi. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
And now news from sports. Minister and Navili MLA Avartan Furtado has been appointed as the president of Square Association of Goa. The term of the new president is from this year to 2017.
The former president Jose Vaz handed over the reins of Square Association of Goa to Avartan on Monday at Fatorda.
I stand Omozo Zago Takajum Sultan Kita. So, sportsan काम केलो मनी फुटबॉल हेटालो आणि बरो बाकी स्पोर्ट्साचो मोगी वो स्पोर्ट फुडें व्हरून तो जायतो वावुरतलो म्हूण म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आसा आनी हेच मनान धरून मागता बाब काशिनाथ ताताय जो आमकां सदांच तूं एका मनाच्या आमी तुजे मदें उबें रावन सदांच तुका तूं आमकां आदार करता म्हूण आमी तुकाय आदार करताले तेच भाशेन बाब आवर्तनान हो जागो फुडें व्हरपाक तुवें आदार करचो.
Successful students of Square Martial Art were presented certificates and belts. Black belt in Square, Kashinath Naik, is proud of Goa's progress in the Kashmiri martial art. A demonstration of Square was held on the occasion. A reporter from Fatorda, Savio Dice.
Goa Police beat Warrior Sports Club by 6 wickets to win the 2020 cricket tournament organized by Sangai Cricketers in association with Sports Authority of Goa at Kurchode.
Batting first on winning the toss, Warriors from Kurchade were all out for 129 runs in 19.5 overs. Dheeraj Narvekar was the top scorer with 60 runs. Vikas Desai and Sagar Gowaski made 18 runs each. Abhijit Talekar of Goa Police was the chief wicket taker with 4 scalps to his credit. Vinod Wilson took 2 wickets. Here are some highlights.
बढ़िया स्ट्रोक यहाँ पे धीरज और यहाँ पे बढ़िया स्ट्रोक वहाँ पे फील्डर मौजूद एक रन मिलेगा विनोद का बढ़िया स्ट्रोक में छाड़ा हुआ यहाँ पे लेकिन बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पे 4 रन
बार गेंद ने बल्ले का फाउल किनारे गया गेंद मेरे शॉट फील्ड गेंद थे फायदा है होगा पाया और आउट.
In reply, Goa Police cruised to the victory target in 16.3 overs, losing just 4 wickets. Vinod Wilson was the top scorer with 42 runs. Tausif Jamadar scored 23 runs while Dinesh Sawal contributed 22 runs. Kevin DeCosta took 2 wickets for the Warriors.
शानदार शॉट कवर क्षेत्र की दिशा में 4 रन.
Abhijit Talekar of Goa Police was named man of the match, while Krishna Volvaikar was the man of the tournament. Devidas Kholkar of Goa Police was the best batsman, while Warriors' Kevin DeCosta was the best bowler. Our reporter from Kurchere, Mayur Naik.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.